Can you buy partial shares on Fidelity? Did you know that as of 2024, over 60% of U.S. adults own stocks, yet a significant portion of these investors are deterred from purchasing high-priced shares due to cost barriers? Additionally, the advent of fractional share investing has enabled more than 25% of new investors to diversify their portfolios without substantial capital. Fidelity Investments offers a feature known as Stocks by the Slice, allowing investors to purchase fractional shares of stocks and ETFs. This service enables individuals to invest in high-priced securities by buying portions of a share, starting with as little as $1. This approach democratizes investing, making it accessible to those who may not have the means to purchase whole shares of expensive stocks. One of the primary advantages of fractional share investing with Fidelity is the ability to diversify a portfolio without requiring substantial funds. Investors can allocate specific dollar amounts across a variety of stocks and ETFs, facilitating a diversified investment strategy even with limited capital. This method also supports dollar-cost averaging, allowing investors to invest fixed dollar amounts at regular intervals, potentially reducing the impact of market volatility over time. Fidelity's platform is user-friendly, providing educational resources and research tools to assist investors in making informed decisions. The absence of commissions for online U.S. stock and ETF trades further enhances the appeal of this service, as investors can execute trades without incurring additional costs. Moreover, there are no account fees or minimums to open a retail brokerage account, lowering the barrier to entry for new investors. However, there are certain limitations to consider. Fractional shares cannot be transferred to another brokerage. They must be liquidated before transferring the cash proceeds. Additionally, while fractional shares offer liquidity similar to whole shares, there may be instances where selling fractional shares could be more challenging, particularly for less liquid securities. Investors should also be aware that owning fractional shares may complicate tax reporting, as each transaction can trigger taxable events based on the specific share allocations. User feedback from various forums indicates a positive reception of Fidelity's fractional share offerings. Investors appreciate the flexibility to invest in high-priced stocks without needing to purchase whole shares, and the platform's ease of use is frequently highlighted. Some users note the inability to place certain types of orders, such as stop-loss or trailing stop orders, on fractional shares, which could be a drawback for more active traders seeking advanced trading options. In conclusion, Fidelity's fractional share investing provides a valuable opportunity for investors to diversify their portfolios and participate in the stock market without substantial initial capital. The advantages of accessibility, cost-effectiveness, and ease of use make it an attractive option for many. However, potential investors should be mindful of the limitations regarding order types, transferability, and possible tax implications. As with any investment decision, it's essential to consider individual financial goals and conduct thorough research or consult with a financial advisor to ensure alignment with one's investment strategy.